Businesses and entrepreneurs capitalize substantially on marketing paraphernalia during the Christmas season. On one of our walks, my wife and I noticed a giant dinosaur displayed on someone's front lawn. We thought we had encountered Godzilla. How a dinosaur relates to the holy day of Christmas is beyond imagination. We found it to be most disturbing. Whatever this family's reasoning was, to put it mildly, it was mindless, ridiculous, and outrageous. And then, who do we see displayed on the majority of homes? The star of the show, good old Santa Claus, aka St. Nicholas. A bearded white-haired old man wearing a red suit has been receiving all the fanfare and attention for centuries during the Christmas season. In the meanwhile, the celebration of the birth of Jesus is seemingly put on the back burner. We've been subtly duped. Sadly, parents continue to brainwash their children into believing that Santa is an actual person. He travels around the world sitting on a sleigh pulled by flying reindeer, lands on rooftops, and sends gifts down the chimneys. How ridiculous! Parents ought to be honest with their children and tell them the truth from the outset. Santa does not exist. By doing so, children won't be as disappointed when they reach the age of reason. Let's start teaching our children about who and what Christmas is only about. It's high time we get back to celebrating the holy birth of Jesus at Christmas time. Let's retire the myth of Santa Claus, along with all his fictitious entourage of characters.